You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome. Moving internationally is a unique adventure, and having the right support is crucial. Overseas moving services cater specifically to the needs of individuals and families relocating to a foreign country for an extended period. Unlike regular moving services, these are designed to address the unique challenges of international relocation. Moving isn't just about transporting your belongings. It's about adapting to a new culture, understanding local laws, and integrating into a new community. Here are some of the things you'll need to look for. Cultural differences. We have to learn how to adapt to cultural norms and practices. Language barriers. Overcoming communication challenges in a new language can be daunting. Legal requirements. Navigating complex immigration and visa regulations. Emotional adjustment. Coping with the stress and uncertainty of a relocation to an unfamiliar environment. Whether you're moving for work, retirement, or adventure, we're here to help you make the most of your experience. Moving internationally requires extensive experience, comprehensive service, and a dedicated team of professionals. Here are some of the things that we offer. Extensive experience. Our years of handling overseas relocation mean we understand the unique challenges and requirements. 2. Comprehensive services. We cover every aspect of your move, from pre-move consultations to destination services. 3. Expert team. Our experienced professionals provide exceptional service at every stage. 4. Customized moving plans. We create personalized moving plans catered to your needs. 5. Global network. Our extensive network ensures reliable and effective moving services worldwide. And 6. Customer satisfaction. You can check out our testimonials from satisfied customers who have experienced smooth and hassle-free moves with us. Every overseas move is unique, and we're committed to providing customized solutions that cater to your specific needs and preferences. We have customized moving plans. We begin with a detailed consultation to create a personalized moving plans. And we have comprehensive packing services. Our professional packing services protect your belongings during transit. We have secure shipping solutions. You can choose between air and ocean freight based on your timeline and your budget. We have custom expertise. We handle all custom documentation and procedures. And we have destination services, assisting with unloading, unpacking, and settling into your new home. We also offer storage solutions, securing storage options for all your belongings if you need to store them for a short period. Also important is comprehensive insurance. You need peace of mind with coverage for potential damage or losses. And, of course, personalized support. With us, you receive a dedicated moving coordinator to guide you through the process. We want to offer you tailored solutions for a smooth and successful overseas move, allowing you to focus on the exciting new opportunities that lie ahead. Relocation involves more than just moving your belongings. It requires managing a complex web of legal and administrative tasks. And we want to help you with visa and immigration assistance, securing the right visa and immigration documentation, custom clearance, handling custom documents and declarations, local regulations and permits. We offer guidance on obtaining necessary permits and compliance with local laws, documentation management. we will help you with organizing and managing all of your essential documents, and expert guidance and support, ensuring a seamless transition with expert advice and support. Thanks for listening today. At SDC International Shipping, we're here to make your international move seamless and enjoyable. Don't let the complexities of an international move overwhelm you. Contact us today to discuss your expert moving needs and start your new adventure with confidence.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.